Hello and welcome. My name is Jane Campion. I'm the Programme Leader for the OT Apprenticeship route and I lead on the skills modules in the Level 4.
And hello, my name is Jenny Devers. I'm the Programme Leader for the full-time programme route in the BSc. And at the University of Northampton, our top priorities are to give students valid and realistic learning opportunities in a safe environment. We have access to purpose-built skills rooms where we can create realistic scenarios for students to develop their knowledge and specialist skills in occupational therapy. We can simulate experiences that clients might have when they have got disabilities or impairments when they're carrying out everyday activities to increase our understanding of the difficulties that they may encounter.
So within our bathroom area we have various equipment. So we have bath lifts, bath chairs, bath seats, and it's all about trying to look for sort of the minimal amount of equipment that a client would need, but still be safe to be able to get in and out of the bath. So students get an opportunity to practice these, see how it feels to use equipment and adaptations. We also have a range of wheelchairs and walking frames in here, again for to try, you can take them out around campus. So you experience what it feels like to use the equipment that you would be recommending to your clients. We also have again a perching stool type arrangement, so again for washing and dressing, adaptive toilets and adaptive shower areas, because it's really important that the clients feel that whatever equipment is required for them, that they're happy with it and that it's safe to use. So it's important that you can experience it as a student whilst you're with us on the course.
So this is our skills bedroom, again where we are giving students an opportunity to practice teaching their clients and also feeling what it is like to be a client in carrying out those everyday activities, whether it's getting in and out of a bed, up and down from a chair, and using the hoist. So we'll have small group sessions working with the students where they can try out using these equipment and again experience what it's like to be a patient and also to be a student practitioner.
So part of the experience of using this room is not just using the bigger equipment like the hoist and the rotundas, it's also about using dressing aids and smaller equipment. Because again, it's very easy as a therapist to give out equipment to your clients, but it's always important that as a student you've used it to feel like how it is to use and how effective it is to use, because some of this equipment can work for one client but not for another. Within here as well, we will look at things like personal care. We will look at teaching students things around dignity, compassion, working with somebody who is in a bed situation, so that it's really important they can get those communication skills right.
So this is our skills therapy kitchen where students can experience what it's like to work with clients. And we've got this specialist equipment that the students can learn to operate, and these would be potentially some things that they would prescribe for clients who have permanent conditions. So we've got our adjustable work surfaces, and a client can be in a perching in a medium height level, but potentially if my client needed to develop her standing stamina, I could raise this, obviously not in situ, and she could operate in a standing position. So alternatively, we might have a wheelchair-bound client who has to work from a seated position. So again, we've got this equipment where the student can sit, experience what it's like to be a patient and to work at a seated level.
So each OT student who joins us will have a uniform for practice placement, and it consists of a tunic and green trousers. That's really important. That helps an OT student start with their identity on their journey as a professional OT.
We will support you learning and developing your skills to become more confident as practitioners when you go on placement and in your future careers. We really hope you join us at the University of Northampton.